Winter your skin always feel dry, but if you do this kind of makeup with this product, you will definitely going to achieve this glossy look. Even if your skin is not good, still you're gonna make it look perfect by doing this makeup. I'm 100% sure that when you do this makeup steps and makeup routine, your face will look completely different as you were before the makeup. That's my guarantee. First thing first, now I'm going to wash my face with this simple refreshing facial wash. Must say that this face wash is best for acne prone and sensitive skin because it's so gentle to the skin, and once you start using it, you will never stop using it. What I generally do is I will take this Body Shop Vitamin A Skin Cooling Face Mist as my toner, and I'm going to apply it. Like, I'm gonna take like this. It's in the gel base, as you can see. Now I'm gonna rub it a little bit and just pat it all over my face. Completely set into my skin, and you can see the glow here. I love Body Shop products. I don't know why, but it actually suits my skin and it never make my skin break out. Now we are moving to the makeup. So as you can see, I have here the red patches because it's because of the acne. I got a severe allergy of some food. I don't know which food doesn't suit me, but I ate and I got this allergic reaction. Now I treated it by myself in 2 days, but in daily basis I like to cover it up a little bit. So now very important step is a lip balm. Now I'm using here the Body Shop Born Lippy lip balm. It's like a cute tub, but I really like this effect. It's just so moisturizing. So the third product is this Colorbar Cellular Dry Oil Skin like moisture boosting treatment. Now if you don't have this product, go get it right now because it's too good for the skin, and you can mix it with moisturizer, foundation, BB cream. It just adds the skin glow into your skin and your skin feel like a diamond. So now I already raved so much about this product, so I will just take a few drops on my skin. One here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. I just love oils. Now I'm just take a mirror. Under my eyes, because under my eyes is very dry. Guys, if you have a very dry skin, please go get this Colorbar skin boosting oil. It's too good. It just adds so much of shine into your skin. Don't forget your neck as well. So now I will leave it for 30 seconds or 40 seconds or 1 minute till that it completely soak into my skin. Then we will move on to our concealer. Actually, it's been 30 seconds and still the glow is on. Now without wasting the time, let's go to the concealer part. Now I use a darker shade to cover my pigmentation around my mouth or somewhere a little bit. I have some skin problem here, so I'm gonna cover it up by using this Maybelline New York concealer in the shade, where can I find the shade here? Caramel, 40 Caramel. So now I'm gonna just dab very little amount here to cover it up. And also I don't have like severe under eyes, like dark under eyes, so I ignore my under eyes, and it's the most dark, like driest part over all of my face. Just a little bit here. So now it's all covered up. I'm just gonna blend it by using my beauty blender. I always keep my beauty blender like this because I think it's more hygienic. Okay, now let's blend it up. Okay, now it's time for the foundation. The best part is that I use this Fresh Nude foundation from the Body Shop in the shade Atlas Dunes. Now I'm just gonna take 2 pumps. I'm using this foundation since like 2 years and it's working magically for my skin. And also if you have dry skin, I really want to add the skin boosting oil into this. 1-2 drops is quite enough. And let me mix this product to activate it. Exactly my skin tone, like in camera I don't know why it's looking white, but it's actually my skin shade. now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender again. Just gonna dab it very slowly into my skin. So I blend it very nicely, and you can see that all my dark marks, pigmentation is actually covered. And don't forget to apply it on your neck because it's equally important. Otherwise your face will look from different person and your body look from a different person. So you have to make sure that you covered all of it. Now this is it. As you can see, my face is already glossy. I love my face when I do like this in winters. I think this makeup gonna look so good on you. Before applying a powder product, you should make sure that you apply all the cream products at very first. Like when you're applying cream, you should have to done completely with the cream section. Then you have to go to a powder side. So I'm gonna be using this Body Shop Pink Hibiscus Lip and Cheek Tint on my lips as well. Okay. Oh my god, see that natural tint into my skin. Now I'm gonna just use like this into my, like this. I'm gonna take my beauty blender as well. I'm gonna blend it very nicely, not dragging it all over my skin because then I will look completely like a joker. So just wherever I added, I just tapping there. Now I will not go with any lipstick now because I think this tint is looking quite good onto my skin. So I think this makeup will go on my Instagram also. Now I'm done with all the cream products. Now I'm gonna just take the Sugar Translucent powder because I think this powder works amazingly. Like it's so lightweight that it doesn't feel like you applied some powder onto your skin. So dab it, and just I'm not gonna set all my face. A little bit dab it into my eyes, near my eyes, and just side of this head here, and I'm actually done with the powder. Still the glossy finish is on here. Moving on to my eyebrows. Now I have eyebrows very thin but at the same time not that much pigmented. So I'm going to use this Miss Clay waterproof eyebrow. It says waterproof but it's not waterproof. That's why I don't like about some company. They claim something and it doesn't work. Actually I'm done. This is how much I do my eyebrows. How easy it is, very easy. Now I'm gonna use this video is getting too longer. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in waterproof because I like waterproof and it doesn't stain your eyes. Like I have very tiny eyes. Chotu's eyes is with me and that's why kajal, eyeliner doesn't go for me, eyeshadows doesn't go for me. So that's it. I think I have covered all of these products. I didn't apply moisturizer because I don't need it. If you want to apply, you can go with this Body Shop Vitamin E moisturizer. Too good for your skin. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, and also share this makeup look with all the dry skin people out there. I'll be back again with a new video. Till then, please take care.